Today I'm making these Dearborn Brand smoked kielbasa. Now these cost about $8.49 at Meijer. There's two of them, but they're pretty big sausages. These are beef and pork made sausage. There's a whole pound there, just with these two. I have my pan and my foil, and the oven set to 400 degrees. Package is one of those easy peel, easy to open. Gotta love that. And these smell delicious. And there they are, laid out on the pan, spread apart. Man, they smell so good. Just slid them in there. We're going to check on them in about 10 minutes. There's the progress after 12 minutes. I think I'm going to take them out now before they burst. And now to let them rest for a couple of minutes. Here they are after resting for a couple of minutes. And now it's time to try. That's what they look like on the inside. Looks like a sausage. Oh wow. This is bursting with flavor. I mean, probably one of the best sausages I've ever cooked. So good. The smokiness really comes through. And it's very juicy. Just the right amount of spice. This is amazing sausage. I'd eat this over and over. Great job, Dearborn. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey, you reached the end of the video. Now would be a good time to click subscribe. I made this outro special for this. I'll wait patiently until this video is done. Thanks for hitting subscribe. And if you didn't, I guess you'll miss out.